Sitozani ugogo nomkhulu sakwasendoda lesugogo bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala emzini amadoda u-anti usho. Umbuzo uthi at which point we are going to discuss the issue of pork, fish and muti. At which point, or are we just gonna let it like that because of now I'm no longer a Christian and now I'm using muti, it means I must not eat fish, it means I must not eat pork. Yeah, it's a challenge. What happens to people who are from Mozambique? Because Mozambique is one of the countries that we recommend, that we respect so much when it comes to muti. We respect so much as healers. It's one of the countries that we know for sure Mozambique is one of the leading countries when it comes to muti. Yes, there's a lot of scams. Trust me, there's a lot of scams, but there is muti. But we are not about being that, whether it's good, there's muti or not. But the question is one, what is it that we are saying regarding the issue of fish, muti, and pork? If you want me to talk about it, I'm willing to talk about it because I'm here in Lesotho, competing one of my researchers. And I'm proud again to announce that I'm here today for two reasons. One is a vacation. If somebody says you're tired, you deserve that smallanyana break, and then you know very, very well that you were supposed to go here and for something else, and then you just combine the two. Then I took the opportunity, and I'm grateful to be taken to this beautiful place of Lesotho. I'm very grateful to be here. It's always great to be in Lesotho. It's a beautiful place, beautiful people, very human. Ubuntu, it's displayed. If you want to feel or to see the true sense of Ubuntu, it's available here in Lesotho. So you let me know if you want me to talk about that or what. But yeah, I'm here in Lesotho. It's a beautiful country. It's a beautiful country. It's such an amazing country. It's very beautiful. I don't know how to explain it. It's such an amazing place to be.